Dan, I'm loving your focus, mate. Dan, your focus is intense. Right, hang on. Yes, right. Can we get some American Man vs Food sort of, you can do it, Danny. Okay, Danny, go, Danny, go. Oh, it's still hot, isn't it? Still steamy. That is a powerful pace straight away. Mate, he might just have this, you know. That's a decent pace already. Focus is intense. Don't watch him, don't watch him. Oh, look away.
Go out here. Definitely juicy burgers, isn't it? Oh, I love the burgers, yeah. People told him when you got only 7. Chicken burger, 60 burgers.
Doing well, mate. Doing really well. You're just coming up to a minute in.
10 minutes, is that a minute?
Go on, staff.
I know you got this.
You do it on this.
Or any tissues, mate. Chuck anywhere you want. I'll pick them up after, bruv. Get that knife and the other ones. Get them cooling down for you. Yes. Ooh. Is it still hot? You got a fork there, remember, if you need it. I'm loving this technique. I'm loving this technique. You got this, bro. Yes. Brilliant. Yes. Great technique. I thought he was going to go for the other bun. So if he does that twice, that's one out the way, isn't it? That's the things. That's the daunting bit at the end. If you've got a couple of chips and some coleslaw at the end, you know you're just going to drink that. No, I'm going to do it next weekend.
Has anyone actually succeeded yet?
These are the first 2 guys. Because we only started it today. It's our first day doing it, so if you need more sauce, mate, you just holler. Wait, mate, he's smashing this. You're coming up to 7.5 minutes, Dan. He's smashing it. Should I get a picture of him? Wait, mate, he's doing really well. You're right about the bun though. That looks so much easier now the bun's gone. So you're coming up to 7 minutes and 5 seconds. Come up to 7 minute mark. Wait, I think he might be doing this, you know.
Yeah. Give me a drink. I told him the drink by the time it's finished. I think they're there in 5 minutes away, okay?
It's fucking brilliant. Come on, Dave boy. Okay, so you're coming up to 6 minutes and 30 seconds. So we're basically a third of the way through and you're smashed half of it, so we're loving it. Just throw the tissues on the floor, Dan. I'll pick them up. Can I get some more tissues, Brad? More tissue. Give him a whole bunch.
How you feeling, Dan?
Mate, he's in the zone. This is intense.
Sorry? What's happened?
Good. Yes.
Mate, he's going to do this. He's going to do this. You're coming up to 5 minutes and 30 seconds, Dan, to go. 5.5 minutes to go. Brad, are you seeing this? Mate, he's going to do it. He's going to do it. He's going to do it. Well, look, he's not even halfway yet, and all he's got is basically half a bag of chips to go. To be honest, this is insane. Fantastic technique. His technique's insane.
An expert, isn't it?
It is. These boys both were doing research last night, man.
Are you allowed to bring a whisk and like make your coleslaw into a shake?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Get a blender out. Yeah. Coleslaw and chip shake. So Dan, you just hit 4 minutes and 30 seconds to go. You're so close, mate. You're so close. Well, you got steak? I might get one. He's doing really well. So I've just gone past the 4 minutes to go mark. There's 3 minutes and 45 seconds to go. Yeah, pretty much. You've got a little tiny bit of chicken left. Honestly, Dan, you're so close, mate. He's so close. I think he's going to do it. I can't believe it. Come on, Stavo. Man, he's going to do this. Right, so you're at 3 minutes and 20 seconds to go.
Basically done the burger.
Yeah.
You had it. I didn't. No, be serious.
You get mine a fresh one, bro. Mate, his technique's insane. Mate, you've got just coming up to 3 minutes and 5 seconds to go. Come on, Stav. He's got this. He's got... We need a bigger fork. Use your hands. Just pour it in. You are. Come on. You've got 2 minutes and 50 seconds to go. I know you've done a roast dinner in that before. Come on.
To be honest, Dan, if you can't give up now,
You're so close, mate. Push. Push.
Yeah.
Honestly, fantastic effort. So you've got 2 minutes and 15 seconds to go. That's plenty of time. Just chill. That is 2 minutes worth of food there. You've got this. Imagine you go on your lunch break. Pretending you've just got here and you're starving. That's it. That's what you've got to do, isn't it? Just got here and you've got a couple of chips you've got to eat. You've got to get back in the car. We've just gone past the 2 minutes to go, Mark. Yeah, we're good, yeah. Oh, cool. Brad, do you want to take their order?
Yeah. No, we take the order.
We'll get somebody to come out and take your order. Right, Stav, you've got 1 minute and 40 seconds to go. You can do this. You can do this.
The man versus food challenge. Yeah, we're burger like that. Chips, fries, coleslaw, everything in 10 minutes. We've got saving going up there. It's just raining.
Come on, Stav, you've got this, mate. You've got 1 minute and 30 seconds to go. Come on, Dan, you got this. One minute left to go, Dan. One last push.
You said it. You said easier. Oh my god.
Still got loads of time. 45 seconds.
When loads of time going to sit there and you make 200 weight. Come on, Stab, you've got this, mate.
Danny. 30 seconds to go, Dan. Seconds to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Well done, Danny boy. Can we get clapped? Can we get clapped?
That's going to be hard to do because he was nigh on perfect.